Making car enter exit system is an important part of GTA. So in this video we will cover car enter exit system for our game. If you don't know what I mean, stay with me. As you can see, I have downloaded this asset of City Pack for free from the asset store. If you also want to download this for free, I'll give you a link of this asset in the description box below. So main part of this video is making enter exit system. After watching this video you will be able to make this. You can enter into the car, drive the car and also exit from the car. Alright guys, in order to make this system you have to select the car and make a empty game object inside the car and call it trigger. I already have make it and I make the box glider in it and disable the mesh render. You can see I also add the box glider into it and make sure you have set it to is trigger, and you have to attach this script with this trigger. Here you will see many type of variables and the first one is car cam. If we select the car cam, you will see this is car camera which will be enabled when the player will enter into the car. And in the same way I have attached the player. You can also attach, and when the player will enter into the car, the player will disactive. And let's see other variables. I have drag and drop this car over here and also attach the player UI. Here this is player UI and this is car UI. I have separated both UIs. You can see if I enable the player car UI, you will see this one. I can also disable this from here. And the last two variables are very important. One is enter button and the other one is exit button. When I will click on enter, you will see this button over here. You have to attach trigger in this function and just drag and drop this trigger over here and select the car and track function like this. Alright, and if I click on exit, you have to create another empty game object and attach the car exit script and assign all variables. And the same way you have to drag and drop exit over here and select the function. Yes, and this was process of our car and track system, and I will give you a link of these scripts in the description box below. Just go ahead and download them for free. And this was the whole procedure. And make sure you have tagged your player as a player, your character as a player. And you can see we can drive the car. If I play a game right now, you will see how we will drive the car. And I think it is trigger problem. Alright, just click on enter button and now we are into the car, and I can race and click on brake and exit from the car. We have to add many things in this car and track system, like car animation, enter animation, and we have to fix this E button which is still appear on the screen. So we have to fix many things, but we will do in the next video. I hope you guys enjoy the video, so make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest videos.